Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to check games compatibility and minimum system requirement for Microsoft Store games. Actually, this is a basic and simple tutorial. One of my subscribers asked me to make the video on this topic, so that I'm making. This is a simple thing, okay? To check any game of Microsoft Store system requirement, you need to open the Microsoft Store. Okay, simple. In this search box, check your game. Okay, I'm going to take the Asphalt 9. So here, simple thing is just scroll down and you will see the gaming available and capability. Here it will show the Xbox Live Presences and Xbox Live Clubs. So here you can check the capability and available, and after this click on system requirement. So here it will show the what is the minimum system requirement for this game. So here you can see it shows the OS, architecture, DirectX version, minimum RAM, processor, graphic. So it will show the entire detail of your minimum system requirement of game, and also you can check the compatibility. So the basic and simple tutorial. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.